Okay, and the final part is rendering. You can simply click on here and render. Because it's a demo, it's restrict the width and height, but you can type any number here for your export, any number DPI. The quality is production, it means the end draft is something like this. Manual, you can pass it to render. It render, and stop to this number, or time base. We are using time base because it's very high to render. I want to tell, okay, 5 minutes. And after, because it's the ray tracing, it's going and going, rendering, reduce the noise and make a good quality. Okay, it tells you, okay, this is a demo, but again, try to that, as you can see, it's rendering to the end, and I will come back. Okay, and it's done. You can see you can go more time to better quality. You can go into render more, and then you can save your image and done. Okay, I hope you enjoy this software and use it.